In order to install this extension, go to this link to the GitHub. And if you know what you're doing, then you can clone this repository. If you don't know what you're doing, then you can click on this green code button and then download zip. While that is downloading, you are after this build folder. Once the download is complete, browse to the location of your download, save it somewhere where you're not going to delete it, and then unzip it. Once the download is finished, unzip it. This is a folder that we will need in KNIME. Let's now change to KNIME. In KNIME, you have to do two things. First, go to Preferences, install update, available software sites, and go add. Click on local, then browse to the location where you've saved the extension. Select the build folder, click OK. Give it a name and click add. Then go apply and close. And next you go to menu, install extensions. Here you can now, if you don't see it straight away, search for Finnovation flows. Select this, click next, click finish. And here, because this is not available from the community hub, you need to trust it. So select unsigned and click trust selected. Now the software is being installed, and after a while you will be prompted to restart. Once KNIME has restarted, you are ready to go and search for the nodes in your node repository. Search for Finnovation, for example. And here they are: schema generator, structured output prompter, and vision model prompter.